Hello, how are we today? Are we alright? Not really? Let me know. Welcome back. You guessed it, another cooking video. You predicted correctly. Today, I'll be cooking something so mouth-wateringly delicious. So today we have for you is a ginger chili chicken with a sweet potato salad, and it tastes delicious. It's suitable for the summer and it's easy to cook in no time at all. So let me show you. So when it comes to the seasoning of the chicken, I added the flavors last night and left it to marinate in the fridge for 24 hours just to let the flavors soak in. So I added some garlic granules, ginger, crushed chilies and black pepper. Here we have it. So I used 4 ingredients for my chicken fillets. For my salad, I'll be using the following ingredients. We have 3 sweet potatoes, and I'll cut those up into cubes and place them into the oven for about 20 minutes. And I will also do the same for the chicken fillets. I'll use olive oil to drizzle it on the chicken when it's in the oven and flip them after 10 minutes or so. So let's focus on the salad. We've got the sweet potatoes. We've also got lettuce, 1 red onion, a tin of sweet corn, and an avocado. We also have limes. So let's get to cooking. That's why you've watched the video, isn't it? Let's go. Okay, so that's it. The only thing left to add is our salad dressing, and the 4 ingredients you will need for this are 2 limes, olive oil, black pepper and salt. That's all you need. So adding this to your salad will ensure that it isn't dry and also gives a fresh and flavoursome taste. If you like this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. That's it. You've got a lovely summer dish to try. Look after yourselves. Bye.